Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a haul, you guys, a Dollar Tree haul, because I get some of my essentials from Dollar Tree for my lip gloss business. If you didn't know this, Dollar Tree has really good things when it comes to storage and bowls and spoons and all of that. So I always kind of share it with you guys, my staples, things I get from the Dollar Tree that actually helps me with my business, my lip gloss business. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right in. If you want to see the things I got from Dollar Tree, keep on watching. Hey, and also guys, before we get into the video, please go ahead and click the link down below to support me. You guys know I own Omas Cosmetics, my own brand or whatever, and I really appreciate you if you guys click the link down below to check us out. We offer a bunch of different things like African bonnets, African head wraps, which you guys can see behind me right now, African bonnets, head wraps, scrunchies, headbands, robes, all of that good stuff. We also have lip glosses, of course. We have lip glosses, we have lashes, we have our eyeshadow palette coming soon, and we have a bunch of things on our website for you guys to, you know, kind of see and love and support. So yeah, you guys, I really appreciate it if you know, after the video or before the video, doesn't really matter, if you click on the link down below to support me. I really appreciate it. And okay, let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this bag. I have two bags. I actually got two big bags, y'all. So it's not a lot. Don't let the bag fool you. I didn't get a lot this time. Oh, and also if you guys want me to do hauls, because I've been trying to do more things on my channel, right? I'm packing orders and making lip glosses and stuff like that. I wanted to add more things to my channel. So if you guys want me to do more hauls, because I do shop a lot, not just Dollar Tree, everywhere. So if you guys want me to do more business essential hauls or just like regular hauls, let me know what kind of hauls you would like to see and things like that. But I figured I'll just throw this on my channel. And yeah, if you guys like hauls, let me know in the comments. All right, so first thing we're gonna see right here, I don't really use this a lot, you guys. I don't even know why I got a lot of it, because I've actually had this. I bought some and I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and I got more. Ask me why, I do not know, because I barely ever use these. I like to use glass or the styrofoam one to make my lip glosses. I hardly ever use this, because one time I did use it and it was so hard to wash. I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna use my glass. I use my glass bowls, which you guys saw in my previous video. It's so convenient to wash it when you're done, and I just prefer to use that instead of using my Tupperware. But I still buy them just in case I need it. I don't know. So anyway, yeah, we have our Tupperware right here. Next thing I usually get is paper towels. I know it's way cheaper to get it from Walmart, but whenever I'm at Dollar Tree, I just grab it because I use quite a lot of toilet paper. I use these when I'm like making my lip glosses, when I'm filling them, whenever. I use them a lot, like literally a lot. So anywhere I see them, I grab them. But I usually get like a big 12 roll or 6 roll from Walmart or Target or places like that. But yeah, I usually grab them from Dollar Tree too, because they have them for $1, which is a little bit more expensive. But anyway, I still grab them. So I got 2. Then next thing we got is these right here. These are like little mini containers. Now these, I only got them because sometimes I want to try a color. Like I have a color in my mind of a lip gloss that I want to make, and I want to try it out in a little quantity first before I actually make a big batch. This is where these come in. I use them to try out samples, and if I don't like the colors, I'm like, okay, well, I didn't have to waste that much Vasogel because I only put it in a little container. So these are, they come 10 in a pack for $1. That's really good. That's really affordable. So yeah, so let's just say, like, this is good for you if you are the kind of person that makes a lot of samples and you don't want to keep wasting Vasogel. This comes in handy. I get a lot of them at a time. I got 2 this time because I still have the ones, I still have the one that I got the last time. So but yeah, these are really good if you love making samples or if you like trying out new colors. These come in handy, and they come with little lids too. As you guys can see, they have lids in them, so you can cover them and keep them and whatnot. But yeah, these are pretty good. All right, so next thing I got were these pens. I already opened them up because I really needed my pens, but I usually get my pens from the Dollar Tree because they're way cheaper. But I get these Pro Max retractable pens. I love these pens, you guys. These pens are awesome. I love them. So I usually grab them because they're really good. And these are pencils. I also already opened this one because I needed them right away because I got these yesterday. So yeah, these are awesome. Get your pens and your pencils from the Dollar Tree. It is way cheaper. But yeah, you guys, awesome. All right, so next thing we have are spoons. Spoons are always important for mixing your glosses, of course. So I use these spoons when I mix my glosses in my styrofoam you know, bowl, or okay, let me go ahead and show you guys my glass bowl. All right, you guys, so this is one of the glass bowls I have. This is the smallest size. I have a big size, a medium size, and then this is the smallest size. So when I'm mixing the gloss in this bowl, I also use these spoons. These spoons are very durable, like they're awesome. But let me go ahead and show you guys the ones, exactly the ones I'm talking about. But yeah, these bowls are really good. I like to use glass. Like I said, glass is way more convenient, and it just makes your life easier. Okay, awesome. But these are the spoons I'm talking about. These are the only spoons I will use, you guys. These are the super heavy duty spoons. This is what they look like. I'm pretty sure every Dollar Tree carries this. I'm pretty sure every Dollar Tree has this, because why not? I feel like they should, right? This is a really good spoon. These spoons are very durable. When you're mixing your glosses, it's just way better than the styrofoam plastic spoons. Those ones break. I know I had one. I have a whole box right there. I have it, and when I try to use it, my hands hurt because it keeps slipping away. And one time one even broke. So I'm like, you know what, I have to find something way better, and I did. I found a better one. These are way better. I promise you, if you try these spoons, you're going to see what I mean. They're awesome, and they work way better. I buy like a lot at a time. Wait, where are the ones that I got? Oh yeah, you guys, I buy a lot at a time. I think I have one more somewhere in the other bag. But yeah, these are really good. I mean, they're only $1, but I promise you, when you try them in your glosses, mixing your glosses, it works. Never breaks, and it mixes your glosses really well, and it will not slip out of your hand. It will not make your hands hurt. These are way better. Don't buy those white little spoons. Those ones are just annoying to use. I promise you, when you try this one, you will never go back to that one. Awesome spoons, awesome. Next thing I got were these bowls. I don't really know why I got these. I think I got them because I wanted to, just for mixing two. You know when you're at the Dollar Tree and you see something, you're like, I'm probably gonna need that. That's what happened with this one. I felt like I was gonna need it at some point, so I got it, but I don't really know why I got it. But I will definitely need this at some point. I mean, if you make lip glosses, this is gonna come in handy at some point. So yeah, this is a 12-pack little cute bowl thing. It looks really cute too, so I think I will use this. I will use this. All right, so moving on, I got this spatula. Is it a spatula? I mean, I thought it was a spatula, but it's actually a salad service set. When I saw this, you guys, I was really happy, because let me tell you guys, I use normal spatula, like the silicone spatula, to mix like my glosses in the big bowl, and those are cool enough. It's a pain to wash. Those are a pain to wash. So these, I've been looking for a really good plastic ones that are easier to wash, number one, and I could just throw them away when I'm done, because I could like buy a lot of these and just like throw them away when I'm done, because I throw away most of my things when I make my lip glosses, like my spoons, of course the styrofoam plate, my syringes and stuff like that. But these, I will see how they are to wash, but I'm really happy I found these, because these are going to be like really easy to mix my lip glosses, and they are way longer than my spatula, which I had one to show you guys. No, I don't have one to show you guys right now, but the ones I use, which you guys saw in the video, the previous video, those are a little bit longer, those are a little bit shorter, and they are a pain to wash. I end up throwing them away. But these, and I bought those for way more expensive, but these I only got for $1, so I won't really feel that bad throwing them away, you know what I mean? But I like them because, like I said, they are longer, they are more durable, and they will like work way better than silicone. You guys know how silicone works. These will work better, so I'm really excited I found these. I of course got more, but I think they're all in the other bag. But yeah, if you have these at your Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick them up. This will do wonders if you mix like big quantities of lip gloss. Like if you mix a lot at a time, these will come in handy. I cannot wait to use these. So next thing I got, of course, Scotch tapes. You already know what these are for. If you're a lip gloss maker, you know what these are for. But if you don't know what these are for, I use these to tie my to tape my pipettes to my syringes when I'm filling my gloss tubes. So these will keep what's tape. Of course, it will help the pipettes not fall off, because I promise you, if you don't use a tape to secure your pipettes to your syringe, it will fall off and it will cause a huge mess. It happened to me and I hated it. So I always tape my pipettes to my syringe to prevent that from happening. So of course I got two. I got my Scotch tape from the Dollar Tree. Yes. So I got two of those. And then we are done with this bag, you guys. Next thing I got was alcohol. Well, this is just for like cleaning and sanitizing my area. I put this in a spray bottle and I spray my area before and after I'm done making my lip glosses. And I also use this to clean like my, do you guys just see that? And I also use this to clean like my lip glosses when I'm done washing them and things like that. So this is awesome. You need alcohol. You need them, and they're so hard to find these days. I went to Walmart and they didn't have any alcohol, so I'm happy the Dollar Tree has it. So of course I got two of these. Onto this bag, you guys. First thing I see is of course my styrofoam bowls. Yes, I got some bowls, you guys. This one I usually get the 20 ounce. I believe this is a 20 ounce bowl. Yeah, so these are the 20 ounce, which is what we all use to mix our lip glosses. I believe we do, but I use a 20 ounce size. And these are 15. They come 15 for $1 and I got 4. So yeah, they're cheaper at the Dollar Tree for sure. But yeah, you guys already know I use this to mix my glosses when I make like smaller quantities, and then when I'm making like a bigger batch I use my bowl. So yeah, these are awesome. Oh, you guys see this? More of those spoons. When I tell you these spoons are a lifesaver, they really are. Please guys, try these spoons. When you try them, you will never go back to the white plastic ones. I promise you. These are super heavy duty, okay? They're awesome. I always get a lot at a time because they're amazing. Oh, and I have one more styrofoam bag. So I got 5 of the styrofoam bags. Awesome. And then I saw these, you guys. These, I figured that I will also use these to mix my lip glosses. You guys, am I the only one? I know I said this before, but whenever I go to the Dollar Tree, I just buy what I think I could use. And I could use this. I could really use this. Like if I'm not using the plastic ones that I got, like these right here. Like I already showed you guys these, but these are the plastic spoons that I got, the bigger ones for the bowls. But if I'm not using that one, I could use this one. I saw it and I was like, oh, I gotta try this. So this one comes for $1, and this is plastic. Oh, this is plastic. You guys, I prefer plastic to silicone. I don't know why, but the silicone is good when you're mixing it, and when you're washing it, it's a pain to wash, and I always end up having to throw it away. But these could work better, you guys. This could work better. So these I could use when I'm mixing in the styrofoam. Look at how cute this one is. So they come in 4 different sizes, you guys can see. Have I been showing this up close to you guys? Have I been doing that? But they come in 4 different sizes. I'm so excited. I was like, you know what, this could work. This could really work, and it will work. It really will. So this is Cooking Concepts mixing spoons, and they are mixing spoons. You can't go wrong, right? So I got 3 of them, and I'm making glosses tomorrow. So once I make my glosses and I see how they work and I really like them, I'm gonna go back and buy the entire whatever they have. Because you know one thing with Dollar Tree, you go there today, you see something, and when you go back tomorrow, it's no longer there. So whenever I see what I like to like go back and just buy a lot of it, because it's a 80%, nah, what am I saying, a 30% chance, it's a 90% chance that they won't have it anymore. So but anyway, if you have a Dollar Tree close to you, go grab these. These might work. I know they will work for me for sure, because like I said, I use bigger bowls when I'm making like big glosses, so these would definitely work. Oh, that's it. That's it, you guys. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Did Did you guys enjoy it? Did you like it? If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, of course, duh. And also let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to do more hauls, because I do buy a lot of things that I probably end up never using, but I get a lot of things from Amazon and, you know, a bunch of things. So let me know if you want me to do things like this, and I would do it, because that's really fun. And if you haven't supported me, support me. Click on the link down below to support my business. As you can see behind you, these are my head wraps. I have Ankara head wraps, African print head wraps. I also have them in bonnets, scrunchies, headbands, all of that. So go ahead and click on the link down below to support your girl in her business or whatever. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know, like I said, in the comments below if you would like me to do more hauls. And also please click on the link down below to support me in my business. And that is it. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.